In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Microsoft Teams account with your phone. Whether you're joining meetings on the go or you simply want to stay connected without needing your laptop every time, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Microsoft Teams. Once you're there, look for the official Microsoft Teams app with the purple icon and tap the Install button. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the app once it finishes downloading. You'll see several options that help you sign in with your work or school account. Just enter your email, type your password, and follow the on-screen instructions. They're usually designed to be very user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, keep your login credentials ready, and ensure your phone has enough storage before installing the app. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, you'll land on your Teams dashboard. Over here, you can tap on the Calendar tab or any meeting link you receive. After that, you should be able to join audio or video meetings directly from your phone without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to allow microphone and camera permissions when prompted. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your communication clear. And if you want to stay connected even more easily, you can enable notifications so you don't miss important messages, calls, or meeting reminders. This makes your mobile Teams experience even more convenient. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to connect your Microsoft Teams account to your phone easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?